understand the basic mechanism of radiography testing. Let's talk about the principle. So there are three things you need to conduct a radiography test. The first thing is that the source. The source will emit X-rays and gamma rays. Either X-ray or gamma ray. You can use X-ray or you can use gamma ray for radiography testing. Both have the more or less similar properties, but the origin of gamma rays is totally different to X-rays. The second thing, you need that specimen to be examined to test object. The object you need to test. So like here you can see that suppose there is a source which emit X-rays or gamma rays. Suppose it emits X-rays. Then the second thing we need is specimen. The specimen which will be examined. So test object. And the third thing we need that cassettes. Cassettes means radiographic film. The film which will display the is there any defect or not. So the third thing will be cassettes. Cassette. This is cassettes. In this there are lots of film will be there. So how does it work actually? So when X-ray and gamma ray produced by the source, here you can see if this is source and it emits X-rays or gamma rays to the test specimen, what will happen? If the density of the test specimen is same, it means throughout the same, it means there is no defect. Then what will happen? All the intensity of all the rays will be same. And the one concept is here you need to know that if the intensity of X-rays are more ray, then it will be more darker. If less ray, it means if X-rays are absorbing more and going out less, then if less ray, then what will happen? Less darker. So if the intensity of these rays are high, then it will be very darker on the film, and if the intensity of these radiations is basically low, then it will show a lighter film. So how does it work? Okay, suppose is there any if there is no defect, then what will happen? All the rays will become out with the same intensity, the color of all the film will be same. But if there is any defect and if the density of this defect is less compared to the density of the material, then what will happen? These rays will come out and the intensity of this ray will be high as compared to others because there is an air gap. So this in this film, what this portion shows, it shows that the more light has been come out at this particular area and it will be more darker. So once you will check the film, then you can easily see that this area has a more darker. It means there is something wrong with this because the variation is there. Similarly, if you are using, if there is any defect where the density of the defect is more than the object density, maybe because of the foreign atoms come here. So when these rays will emit there, then what will happen? The intensity of ray will be less, so it will be less darker. So either it can be less darker, either it can be more darker. In both cases there is something defect which you need to evaluate after the processing of film. So this is the basic principle of radiography. Now look about it.